Hey everyone, welcome back to Turbo Trends, your go-to spot for the hottest rides, future car tech, and all things fast and futuristic. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Hyundai Palisade, and let me tell you right now, this thing is not just a facelift, it's a whole new beast with some serious upgrades. If you thought the Palisade was already a strong contender in the SUV game, wait till you see what Hyundai's cooked up this time. First off, Hyundai didn't just tweak a few things and call it a day. They went all in. The 2026 Palisade now rides on a revised platform that boosts both safety and comfort. It still sits in that full-size SUV category, but now it's longer, wider, and more refined. Basically, Hyundai's aiming straight at the luxury crowd. Yeah, they're coming for the likes of the Ford Explorer, Toyota Grand Highlander, and even some entry-level luxury SUVs. Let's talk design. The front fascia has been completely reimagined. We're talking bold, futuristic styling with a wider parametric grille, sleeker DRLs, and a full-width LED light bar that gives the Palisade that signature "I'm here to dominate" look. Around back, the taillights follow the same connected LED theme, and the rear bumper is more sculpted and aerodynamic than before. The wheels, all new designs ranging from 20 to 22 inches depending on the trim, giving it an even more aggressive stance. Hyundai also added more premium color options, including a stunning deep graphite and a two-tone option for the adventurous types. Step inside and you'll feel like you just walked into a modern tech lounge. The 2026 Palisade features a massive 15-inch curved touchscreen that flows seamlessly into the 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. It's running Hyundai's latest infotainment software, which is smoother, faster, and now fully supports over-the-air updates. But it doesn't stop there. Hyundai threw in a new ambient lighting system with 64 color options, ventilated and massaging seats in the front and second row. And yes, there's now an executive-style third-row option with better padding and power recline. No more uncomfortable third-row rides, and this SUV treats everyone like royalty. And let's not forget, Hyundai's seriously stepped up its materials game. We're talking real aluminum trim, open-pore wood on the calligraphy model, and vegan leather options for the eco-conscious buyers. It feels more Genesis than Hyundai, and that's a good thing. Under the hood, Hyundai kept the reliable 3.8-liter V6 engine but gave it some tuning tweaks. Now it puts out 305 horsepower and 270 pounds-feet of torque, slightly more than before. But here's the big news, for the first time, there's a hybrid powertrain option. It pairs a 2.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder with an electric motor, delivering a combined 290 horsepower and significantly better fuel economy, with estimates around 33 miles per gallon combined. That hybrid model is going to be a game-changer for families who want space without the fuel bill. And yes, both versions come with Hyundai's Track all-wheel drive system and drive mode select, including a snow mode, eco, comfort, sport, and a custom setting. Driving dynamics have also improved. The new chassis tuning gives it a smoother ride while reducing body roll, and the steering has a tighter, more responsive feel. Hyundai is clearly aiming for a more premium driving experience, and it really shows when you're behind the wheel. Tech-wise, this thing is absolutely loaded. You've got Hyundai SmartSense 3.0, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane following assist, highway driving assist 2 with automatic lane change, and a 360-degree camera with 3D view. Parking sensors, rear cross-traffic collision avoidance, and blind spot view monitors are all standard on higher trims. Also new, car-to-home and home-to-car integration. You can now control your smart home lights, garage, and even thermostat directly from your Palisade's infotainment system. And yeah, it works the other way too. Start your Palisade, set the temp, and more, all from your smart speaker at home. For families, Hyundai nailed it with the convenience features: rear seat reminder, ultrasonic rear occupant alert, intercom system so you can talk to third-row passengers without yelling, and even a quiet mode that lowers rear speaker volume when kids are sleeping. Now let's talk trims. Hyundai is keeping the SE, XRT, Limited, and calligraphy models. I bet there's a new twist. The Calligraphy Night Edition comes with blackout trim, black wheels, and a dark interior theme that just uses sophistication. If Batman drove a family SUV, it'd be this one. Price-wise, Hyundai's playing it smart. The base say is expected to start around $41,000, with the hybrid options coming in slightly higher. Fully loaded calligraphy models could touch $55,000, but you're getting new luxury experience for that price. So what's the verdict? The 2026 Hyundai Palisade isn't just a refresh, it's a statement. Hyundai is saying loud and clear, we're not just here to play, we're here to lead. With new styling, tech, powertrain options, and a truly premium interior, this SUV punches way above its weight. If you're shopping for a family hauler that delivers comfort, space, performance, and serious tech without jumping into the luxury price range, the 2026 Palisade needs to be on your radar. That's it for today's deep dive, folks. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss the latest trends here on Turbo Trends. Drop your thoughts below. Would you go for the V6 or the hybrid? See you in the next one.